acting.
Just right here, which is what I asked before. What is your case? You can't take the benefit of whether they win or lose their case. You have been given certain seats, and there is a system in the Constitution which says proportional representation. So you have to explain what is your case. How do you get seats which they are calling disproportionate to the election turnout? Number one. Number two, when we talk of proportional representation, there has to be a formula used by the ECP on the basis of which they decide what is the proportional representation of seats won. Hence the discussion of the nomination forms and the look at the candidates and who has won from which party or what is their nomination form. But primarily, what is your case? You're standing here to defend persons who they are saying are disproportionately given seats. तो आप अपनी बताएं ना जी, proportional representation का क्या मतलब है?
Proportional representation over here, as addressed in the Constitution in Article 51 and 106, is a proportional representation between the political parties.
Fine.
To start with, the Constitution excludes independents. They are not included in the mix. So let us say if there were X number of independents, let's not go by a hypothetical, so let's use it X. They will be excluded, and then the proportional division will take place between the political parties. The question is that when these independents join a political party, it will be assumed that that will be a political party which would have submitted a list, political parties' lists of candidates for the reserved seat before the general election takes place.
So then let me ask you this question. If there is a political party, because on the basis of what you're arguing, everything hinges on a political party. So now there is a political party which you say has to submit a list, so that becomes the criteria of a political party?
No.
So
that's
then
not my
what's
submission.
the criteria? The submission of the list?
For the purposes of...
Again, that doesn't affect your case. आपका केस ये नहीं बनता ना जी. उन्होंने लिस्ट, एक सेकेंड ना जी, वो लिस्ट दें या ना दें, उनको मिलती हैं सीट या नहीं मिलती, आप अपना बताएं. How do you get the seats? Because if it is proportionate to the seats that you have won in the general elections, then how do you get the extra seats or the disputed seats? How do you get them? ये बता देना. Why are you worried about whether they get the seats or not? Because you have been given those seats. So you explain the disputed seats, how it fits into the formula that you want to rely on.
I'm grateful for that observation and question. My submission, very respectfully put, is that what is the case before your lordship and what is my case and your ladyship and what is my case in defense. The case is that you have before your ladyship a political party and its chairman. That political party admittedly did not contest the general elections. That political party not only did not contest the general election, it did not submit a political party's list of candidates for the reserved seats. As a consequence, no nomination papers were filed by any of the candidates because there were no candidates of that political party for the reserved seats. As a consequence, no priority was allocated because your ladyship is well aware that a priority has been given and that priority cannot be changed. And then a general elections take place. What you have before your ladyship is a political party which says that within 3 days of the election, so many independents joined us, and because these independents joined us, irrespective of the fact that there was no political party's lists of candidates, irrespective of the fact that none of these candidates submitted their nomination papers and none of these were scrutinized, and irrespective of the fact that this list was never put to the vote, we should now be given a new election schedule where we should be allowed to submit a list and on the basis of
That
that
is
list,
their case, na?
that is their case. My response is this cannot be done, because this means that any political party which does not submit a list of reserved candidates before the election, and those candidates don't go through scrutiny, can later on claim that the new election schedule
So
should be
if it
should-
can't be done, then what happens? Those seats become proportionate for other parties?
Absolutely.
How does that happen?
Because your leadership, two reasons. Number one, the word of the proviso is including. So when a political party which has contested the general election and won a seat, a number of independents join it. When they join it, they know that as a result of it, this list of reserved seats is already there, and these people will come up. That list cannot be changed till it is exhausted. Now, the proviso does not permit a political party which has not done any of these things.
That's fair enough. Ji, I've understood that. The question is very simple.
Yes.
हो गया ना, उनको नहीं मिलती.
Yes.
So yesterday the point everyone was asking was कि वो फिर seats vacant क्यों नहीं है? What I'm asking is those disputed seats, if they can't get it, how do you get it? How does it become proportional representation to the seats you have, or the parties you are representing?
Could I ask
won
that
in the
question,
election?
add to that question with a rather maybe slightly rudimentary question or example? Suppose the House has all independents and one political party with one vote. ठीक, सब इंडिपेंडेंट्स हैं, एक पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, उसका एक ही वोट है. कितनी रिजर्व सीट्स मिलेंगी इस पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को?
That
70?
I am always wary of answering hypothetical questions.
but this helps understand
because
the
that's
working
not
of
the facts
the
of this
provision,
case.
you see.
My lord, my submission would be.
Then what we should do is we should start rewriting the constitution, what we think is the most just.
We're trying
No,
to
the
understand-
Constitution says proportional representation, and you should be explaining what is proportional representation. This is not a hypothetical. And either the Election Commission used a formula or you understand the formula, because we still are trying to figure out what is this formula which is written in the Constitution, proportional representation.
And especially-
Of political parties.
Your
lists
leadership-
of
Who the general
candidates.
seats won. So I think we can all read that. It's very simple.
The formula is not proportional representation system alone. Your lord, leadership.
वो
will
ठीक है,
read
वो
it again.
list हो गया ना जी, because
नहीं, हो
एक
गया नहीं,
format
that's
है ना
why- that is
election
an
का.
essential component of it.
इसमें मखदूम
पढ़
साहब
लीजिए जरा.
मखदूम साहब ये क्लैरिफिकेशन बड़ी क्रूशल होगी इलेक्शन कमीशन से, क्योंकि दिस इज नॉट द फर्स्ट इलेक्शन. पास्ट में कई एक इलेक्शंस हुए हैं जिसमें ऑल दीज सीट्स वर एलोकेटेड टू फिल टू कंप्लीट द हाउस, एंड इट वाज डन इन अ मैनर that the entitlement was only of the political parties, and all the seats were distributed amongst them in proportion to what they had secured.
Your lordships in your leave granting order, to which your lordship was a party, has observed, and so was my lord Mr. Sir Muhammad Ali Mazhar, headed by my lord Mr. Sir Syed Masroor Ali Shah, that this is a case of first impression. There has never been a case before this honorable court where a political party which had not submitted a list, which had not contested the general elections, which had won 0 general seat, had later on claimed reserved seats on the basis of independents which had joined it. That is why your lordship called it a question of first impression.
पूछा जा रहा है ना, वो इस लिम का नहीं है. इट्स दैट लिम के आपको किस प्रोपोर्शन से
देखिए, उसी का जवाब दे रहा हूँ. उसका जवाब ये है कि
हम उसको मानते हैं कि वो नहीं थी पॉलिटिकल
इसका जवाब मेरे ख्याल में डी में 51D में है कि जो पार्टीज जितनी सीट्स होंगी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज में, जितने इंडिपेंडेंट है, वो शामिल होने के बाद टोटल स्ट्रेंथ सपोज बनती है 300, तो ये 300 पर तकसीम होगी. सपोज स्ट्रेंथ बनती है 320, तो 320 पे तकसीम होगी. नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन में ये स्ट्रेंथ बनती है 280, तो ये 280 पे तकसीम होगी. तो रेशो आफ्टर फाइनल डिटर्मिनेशन, मेरा जो असेसमेंट मैं कहता हूँ कि फाइनल डिटर्मिनेशन के बाद ये तय होता है कि किस पार्टी को कितनी सीट मिलनी है. जब जैसे कि आप सेनेट इलेक्शन है, बलूचिस्तान सूबे के अलग नंबर्स होते हैं, वहाँ 7 मेंबर पे एक जनरल सीट आती है. पंजाब में शायद 20-22 नंबर पे एक आती है. तो ये इट वेरीज फ्रॉम द नंबर ऑफ जनरल सीट. इशू ये है कि आपको बताना है कि ये सीट्स बार बार हम ये पूछ रहे हैं, हो सकता है एक पार्टी
क्या ये सीट्स आपके लिए आसान, क्या ये सीट्स वेकेंट रह सकती हैं अंडर द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन?
My submission is no.
Why?
My submission is that the Constitution provides that there shall be a Majlis Shura Parliament in Article 51. If your Lordship will see, there shall be 326 seats for members. 36, I'm sorry. 36 seats for members in the National Assembly, including seats reserved for women and non-Muslims.
Doesn't say that there shall
कल
be
तो clear कर दिया था।
336 members. It just says there will be
Seats for
36
men.
seats.